Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra new intro video is out before launch, which confirms every single thing which we are going to get in the S23 Ultra. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Starting off, the intro video shows a 200 megapixel sensor which shows a much more detailed high megapixel shot which can zoom way too close and still quality remains the same. Next, they talk about the new telephoto lens with 10x zoom along with the 8K video recording with 30 frames per second. Plus, it has mentioned 13 hours of non-stop 8K video recording in 512GB variant. This new 8K video looks pretty smooth thanks to new stabilization and 30 frame per second rate. They also talk about the new 12 megapixel selfie camera which look nice in low light. Next, it also shows gaming performance thanks to new enhanced GPU which make it as the fastest processor phone ever. It has been rumored that S23 series will pack custom Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor which is not only better in CPU and GPU but also its power efficiency is much improved thanks to new cooling system which in result bumps up battery life, and that has been confirmed even in the teaser video with slogan all day battery life while playing games. Next leak videos also shows the new features of the S Pen where you can write and draw more nicely. Also there are some more apps support for the handwriting to text for S Pen user. Now there is 512GB variant is only available in the S23 Plus and Ultra, but in my opinion there could be a 1TB variant as well which is a special one. Plus you get up to 100,000 photos in your S23 Ultra 512GB. Now there is another second intro video which shows the durability of the S23 Ultra, which shows it comes with the new Gorilla Glass Victus, and we know that it would be the Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Also it has added protection for drops. They also showcase water resistant capability of the S23 Ultra at some depth. Now guys, a few hours are left and some more info leaked pre-order deals of the S23 Ultra are out. Like you get a free memory upgrade in Korea, like in price of 256 you get 512GB variant, while in some region it may include free Galaxy Buds Pro 2 or Galaxy Watch 5 along with the S23 Ultra. And you guys, if you want to check the camera sample of the S23 Ultra, here is the video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.